What sets me apart isn't just my personal experience in real estate since 2003, creating one of the most respectable sales resumes. What sets me apart is a business built on honesty, integrity, and my experience on the market and my ability to put my clients' best interests first. Most importantly, what sets me apart is my deep roots and understanding of the community, both personally and professionally. I moved to Los Cabos in 2009, raised my family here, run my business here, and there is no place where I'd rather call home.